YouTube, it's me, your favourite Steve. How you doing? Haven't done a video for a bit. We're in Presthaven, Presthaven in Wales. We've been here a few times. I don't want to say something. Look, I've noticed Liam watches a lot of my videos, and he'll say, "But yeah," a lot, or "Oh yeah," or because he copies every word, you know, because of his autism. So he makes me very paranoid about doing videos. Because I was just about to go, "Yeah, we're on holiday, but yeah." Trying not to say certain words, it's making me paranoid. But yeah, we're on holiday, just chillaxing. I'm relaxing. I'm not trying to put too much pressure on ourselves. Just having a nice relaxing time. We've been here a few times. The kids could spend hundreds of pounds at the arcades, so we're trying to refrain from that. Lace, it used to be alright. You give Lace like a £5 and she'd just change it all for 2p's and go on the 2p machines, but now it's nah. I want to go on that. I want to go on that. I want to go on that spaceship one that cost £3. No, it's costing us a fortune. What was the other thing I was going to say? Oh yeah, me wearing sunglasses. I'm not wearing them to be a twat, but I've had something wrong with my eyes the past 2 days. I don't know if like I haven't opened them. The sun's so bright. If you see, one of my eyes is like I've got a black eye. So I'm wearing them because I can't even keep my eyes open. They're really sore. Here's Liam. Say hello.
Hello, Pooheads.
He's been on at me for ages to do videos. So I'm just doing a little compilation bit. Little bits we've done while we're away. I'm going to try and refrain from doing these long talky bits. But I'm just going to do little videos for Mr. Man here because he likes to watch them. So we're just going to do bits on holiday, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so see you later.
See you later, Pooheads.
Where's the song?
Eat whatever you want, Liam. What up YouTube, it's me, your favourite Steve. Hello Liam.
Hello, Pooheads.
What are we doing?
We're in Haven. Let's go ice cream.
Yeah. Are we in Haven?
Yeah.
So where are we going? Are we going back in a minute?
Yeah, I like going Haven because I don't want to go home.
Yeah, we're not going to go home yet. We've still got a few days.
Okay.
Well, we've been to the waterfall, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. So on the waterfall, do you want to be in the video?
Yeah.
Nice. Do you want to be in the video? Or... Look at that. Teenager with an ice cream. The waterfall's up there.
Can I see?
I don't know what you can see.
Big.
What the YouTube? It's me, your favourite dude. How you doing? We're just having snacks and then we go to get in the caravan. Yeah. How you doing? Oh, and the swear screw.
See you later.
Bye.
Have that. Ah, sorry, dude. Oh, there's one here. Oh!
So cause nothing can stop me. Looking fresh in my threads. We are family, bring it on. Work, we're powerful. Work, and super fun. The Seaside Squad just got better here in the lighthouse.
What have you showed? It's Mitch 5 and 2. How you doing? It is Friday. First day, we're just in the mashing bowl because we're just getting some breakfast. Lacey, messing with the camera. I'll try and ignore her.
Leave him alone.
We just got one of these ones. We got Annie one. Let go again. We got one of these ones because Lacey's got one of these ones. Yeah, that's mine. Yeah, for now. Peace out, side people. I'll see you in the next video.
Oh, it scares me, man. You going again?
My socks are falling off.
Oh, Superman pose. You scare me, Liz. Don't like you, dude. Go on, roll, girl.
It'll be on soon, Dad.
Yeah.